What if I told you there's a tool that lets you draw on an image and instantly make the edits you want? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today, I'm about to show you an incredible tool that's going to blow your mind. Here's how it works. First, open your browser and search for Magic Quill. Click on the first link, which will take you to magicquill.com. Once you're there, find the Hugging Face demo link and click it. It'll take you to the Hugging Face website. Now, here's where the magic happens. Upload the image you want to edit. Once it's uploaded, you'll see tools like the selection brush and the remove brush. Adjust the brush size, and then draw directly on the parts of the image you want to change. Once you're done marking the areas, go to the top of the screen and describe the edit you want. For example, I'll type in, add a jacket, because that's what I want in my image. Then, hit the Run button. Wait a few seconds, it might take 30 to 50 seconds to process, and boom. Look at this. The result is absolutely stunning. Now, let me show you how to download it. At the top of the page, you'll see a download button. Just click it, and your edited image will be saved to your device. And that's it. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.